Okay, so we're going to do a blade change on the new Nexus machine. What we do is we go straight to Smart Cut, single click. It'll open up our cut screen. Then we come down to the bottom left hand corner where the little arrow is, click that. It'll bring up these little icons. We come to the third one in, which is tool change. We click that and the machine will come along to park in this position here. 2.5mm Allen key, we put that into there, just crack it loose. The fork itself, handle faces down, that goes into there. We give it a bit of a tap and then just pull straight down, don't lever down. Rotate the head over. Same 2.5mm Allen key goes into there. Just crack it a little bit and force the blade out. When you're putting it back in, slide it back in. Make sure that it is sitting on that pin there and within the two channels. I usually put my thumb on that back channel to make sure it's sitting in place. Nip it up. Make sure the keyway matches with the keyway under here. Slide it under, don't force it, it will click in place. Then we use the same 2.5mm Allen key and nip it up, and we're done.